Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 BMW M5. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tears to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, I do see a little chip right here. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Alright, on the hood I see another chip right there. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door are in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any dents or any scratches on the doors at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel as well. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the back of the car. The trunk is in excellent condition. I do see that there's a scratch in the back bumper right here. But everything else looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches anywhere else in the back. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel wheel. Everything here looks perfect. No dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door here look perfect. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now let's have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Now the passenger side. Now let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. No wear and tear at all. And the leather and stitching looks fine. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.